Ladies and gentlemen, good evening. Welcome to another episode of Lighter Studio. Today, a special episode. An episode that pushes limits. A duel was played. A duel between two clubs, two philosophies, two completely different schools of tennis clash. One club stands among the very best in the world, and the other, one day, will get there. In this encounter, everything happened. From the duel not being fully completed, to a heated argument between me and our leader, and even my temporary departure from the club. But let's first take a look at the matches themselves. We have 3 recorded battles, and if I remember correctly, 2 that were not captured. And in all of them, we lost. Clearly, convincingly, without debate. The players of ATT Smash are a powerful team, and their global rank of Nash 25 is fully deserved. We simply don't have players of that level yet. We still need time, discipline, and a lot of practice before we can reach that height. But this clash helped us for 2 big reasons. First, it was an honor, a real privilege, to measure our strength against such a team. It showed us exactly how far we are from the top and what we need to improve. A mirror brutally honest, but necessary. Second, this clash led to something unexpected, my leaving the club. That night, I was completely convinced I would never return. But then the next morning, messages. Messages that made me realize how much this actually means to all of us. How much we've connected over this game without even noticing. Until now, we were together, but not fully united. We couldn't always agree. We struggled, we argued, we pushed. But that morning, it felt like something clicked. Like every single one of us finally understood what we want. And what we need to do to reach our dreams. For the first time, the real team spirit appeared. The spirit of a group that knows what it wants and where it's going. In the end, I want to thank everyone. First, my teammates, who gave everything they had. And of course, ATT Smash, you guys are absolute beasts. Keep going, keep pushing. And we will keep working until we catch up and continue from where we left off. If you enjoy videos like this, a like and subscribe would mean a lot. See you in the next episode. Until then, sporting regards.